Investing in cryptocurrency remains an exhilarating venture, filled with vast potential and inherent risks. As we prepare to take a futuristic tour into 2025, imagine you're armed with $1,000 and a robust plan to make waves in the crypto world. This script will guide you through a strategic roadmap to make the most out of your investment. Start by exploring the cryptocurrency landscape that has evolved by 2025. In this year, the crypto market is mature, yet ever-evolving, with new technologies and trends shaping the space. As a savvy investor, your goal is to identify opportunities that align with these trends. First and foremost, diversification remains crucial. With $1,000, you can consider allocating your funds across different asset classes. Start with Bitcoin, the pioneering cryptocurrency renowned for its stability amidst volatility. A prudent strategy would be investing around 30% of your funds, or $300, into Bitcoin for a foundational and less risky asset. Next, look at Ethereum, often hailed as the giant in the decentralized application realm. Allocate another 30% to Ethereum, recognizing its potential to flourish with the continuous rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, and smart contract platforms. Beyond these giants, consider innovative and emerging cryptocurrencies. The year 2025 presents unique opportunities in altcoins associated with green tech and sustainability. Investigate coins that have committed to reducing energy consumption and embrace eco-friendly mining processes. With, let's say, 20% of your funds, or $200, venture into these ethical investments. Looking ahead, the metaverse still seems promising. By now, virtual reality and digital worlds have expanded extensively, aligning well with blockchain technology. Dedicate 10% or $100 towards metaverse-linked tokens, riding on their integration with digital spaces and NFTs. Finally, the ever-important layer of privacy coins deserves a nod. Allocate the final 10% or $100 towards privacy-centric cryptocurrencies, a necessity as privacy laws and concerns continue to evolve, ensuring transactions are secure and private. Reinforcing your strategy, rationalize every decision based on thorough research and market insights. Stay updated with emerging technologies and regulatory changes that may impact the sector. Now, I have shared my insights and strategies on investing $1,000 in cryptocurrencies, focusing on innovation and diversity. I invite you to comment below on your thoughts or questions regarding this strategy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. How would you invest $1,000 in cryptocurrency in 2025? Let us know in the comments below.